So we try to do as much local here as we can. A lot of the preparation work is in the stew itself. This is the easy part.
Right.
Really. So we got some of the mineral clams. And then we're just going to open it inside the broth. And what we're going to want to do is the prawns that we're going to use later here. I like prawns. So they've been marinated with a little bit of smoky paprika and chili powder. So this, here we are talking about layering flavor again. So we're gonna, the juices that are gonna come off of the clams are gonna go in there.
Delicious. Bay leaf. Get you back in there. Look at all that.
So that's the good stuff. We'll just turn it up. No, in case we'll let it finish the stew with a little compound butter.
I like it.
I mean, one of the great things about these pans, once that bottom gets hot, just radiates a lot of nice heat.
Right.
Garlic. Okay, so you see how we're doing here.
And what's in that compound butter?
So it's a citrus butter. So there's a lot of chive and parsley and lemon and orange zest.
Yum. Gorgeous.
And then that's all good stuff. I think it's really nice. You get shots of you eating that stuff or what? That's gorgeous. Gotta have some bread though.
Yeah, you do.
Do your thing.